Yo YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. To the new subscribers, thank you guys very much for hitting up the channel, really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate that. So this morning I'm on my way to meet up with my buddy Rian to service the Air Cups on Bumblebee. For those of you that don't know, Bumblebee is the yellow S2000. I heard his cups at the Stellies aired out event making some weird noises. Actually sounded like it was binding a little bit on the seal, so hopefully it will be a quick service. Just going to be greasing up the cups as well as the o-rings, and hopefully that will resolve the issues. If not, then they would have to come out and be sent back to stance part so that they can do a full-on service. But yeah, let me just drive to the location and I will check back with you guys once I get there. And I've just made it to Dent Express. Big shout out to them for opening up the workshop this morning. The owner's son actually just pulled up, and Rian is here with me as well. So yeah, as soon as the workshop is properly open, we'll get to servicing those air cups. So to sum it up, I've just finished on both sides with the air cups. I used this Herschel silicone paste. Shout out to Herschel for manufacturing such a decent product. I was actually searching online where to find something that I could use for it, because it needed to be a silicone grease or silicone paste, and eventually I found that Boulders Warehouse actually stocked it. So yeah, shout out to both Boulders and Herschel. The noise is a lot quieter. I'm actually just waiting for the compressor to cool down because it's in thermal overload at the moment. So as soon as that is done, then I'll be able to do a quick vid of what it sounds like and how much quieter it is. But I'm super happy. Rian is happy too. So yeah, we just finish up, clean up and put the wheels back on, and then we'll be good to go. And an update, I just made it to Robyn, where I'm going to be busy with the second part of the day. I'm going to be changing front brake pads and the rear brake shoes. So they've been squealing horribly and the rear actually sounds like it's metal on metal. So that's the next part of this Saturday. And yeah, after that then I just want to chill and get some good food and something to drink. So let me get cracking and I will check back with you guys in a little bit. So this is what I was able to source for the Honda Jazz. I got them at good pricing. The ATEs were from Suburban Spares and the Optima from Vision Spares. bit of a crap one. I ended up running out of internal memory on my phone, wasn't able to record any content unfortunately. I also ended up over tightening one of the caliper bolts, breaking it inside the slider of the caliper. So I had to go down to one of my buddies, Suleiman, and he had to drill it out for me and supply me with a replacement bolt. So big thanks to him for doing that. Really appreciate it. Didn't get around to doing the rear shoes due to the lack of light, but hopefully I'll be able to get down to that next weekend. But until then guys, I'll be calling it quits for the rest of this vlog. Remember, your ride, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.